What's up guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to replace hood struts on Lexus RX 350 from this generation. Now mine is a 2012 model year, but it should be the same for years 2010 all the way to 2015. These struts that I'm gonna be using to replace it with, I bought them off of Amazon for like $20. It came in a package like this that has like a plastic wrapper around it. I already installed the other pair, and so I'm gonna show you guys how to install this one to the right hand side of my car. Now installation is pretty simple and you don't really need a lot of equipment. All you need is a long screwdriver and then possibly some kind of a stick to just secure the hood. Hood could be like pretty heavy, and so I would recommend using some kind of stick. Now this particular stick, which is kind of like a ruler that I bought on Home Depot, actually fits pretty well. It's like a 36-inch that I could definitely use to just like secure. Now one thing you need to do before install it is to get rid of this plastic wrapper on the new strut, which may feel a little scary because it has a gas pressure in it, but it's not too bad at all. What you need to do is to just cut from this side and then making sure the part that comes out is not towards you or your face particularly, that could cause an issue. But all you want to need to do is to just cut that part. So I'm just gonna use this. Here we go. Now it should be ready to be installed. One thing you need to kind of pay attention to, the movable part should be at the bottom portion, and then the other side should be on the hood, just like that. You can see. All right, so now what we need to do is to remove the old one. Both top and the bottom has some kind of a ball joint behind it, and that's all it kind of holds to it. So removing it is not too bad at all. So to remove the top portion, there's this like a little ring right here, and so you're gonna need to remove that. So just stick your screwdriver in there, and then here we go. So that ring is out. After that, what you want to need to do is use your screwdriver and to kind of push it out so it's out from that ball joint. Here we go. Took a little bit, but it was not bad at all. We're gonna need to remove the bottom part, which also has the same thing. So I'm gonna use my driver, so sort of like stick in there and then push it out, and then it should eventually come out just like that. Before putting the new one, what I like to do is to sort of clean these a little bit. So just wrap it a little bit, because there's like some dirt, there's some oil things. Same thing for the bottom portion. Because that area is super tight, I thought about removing this like plastic piece on the side at first, but actually it doesn't really need that. I mean, there's enough room to be able to push it out and then put the new one, so you don't really need to worry about that. All right, now getting ready to put the new one. So like I said, the movable part should be at the bottom portion. So I'm gonna try to put that first. So what I'm gonna need to do is, using my screwdriver, I'm gonna get sort of like power from the side and then push it in, and then it should click right away. So now it's secured. Now I'm gonna do the top portion. I'm gonna push it higher. I'm gonna, yeah, push it until it clicks, and then in this case, clicked right away. So yeah, this is it, folks. Now I have both sides installed. You can see it does the job. Thanks for watching. If you want more content like that, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, definitely hit the like button. And if you have questions or concerns, please leave your comments down below. Thanks guys. I hope you will have a good one.